Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Ling. Simple recipes, easy to make. Today I'm going to share with you another fried rice, egg fried rice with tofu. Let me show you the ingredients. As I explained to you guys in other fried rice recipes, to have good fried rice, you need the leftover rice from previous day, even 2 days ago. This is from yesterday, cold rice. So let me just wet my hands. Just make sure you break them, so this way they won't be sticky. And I have 2 eggs. And as usual, I just season the eggs with a little bit white pepper powder, a little bit of salt, okay, we set this aside. I have 2 green onions, just chop them finely. And I have 2 shallots. They're like mini onions, right? So they're also from the allium family. The taste is a little milder than onions. I have 1 pack of firm tofu. You can also use regular tofu. Firm tofu are not easy to break when you cook it. Okay, I'm just going to use half. Save the other half. And I can cut to slices. That. And this way. And then in 3, kind of dice this. And we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to high and add some vegetable oil. I'm using avocado oil. First, we're going to make scrambled eggs. It's hot yet. Yep. Okay, now we set it aside. Now we add a little bit more oil. And we're going to stir fry shallots. And tofu. Just cook about 2 to 3 minutes until the tofu is lightly brown. You can see our tofu is getting color, lightly brown. And we just add a little bit salt. Now we add the rice. Cook about another 2 minutes till rice will heat through. After about 2 minutes, we add the eggs. And some soy sauce. And add our green onions. Smells good. Let me just taste quickly. Delicious. Add a little bit of white pepper powder to finish up. Mix. And fried rice is ready. Let me try now. The tofu looks like meat. This is a really high protein fried rice. It's perfect for lunch and also perfect for quick dinner. Delicious. Love the shallots. Really adds a flavor. I have a bunch of fried rice recipes. You guys can leave a comment below. Let me know which one you like most. I have shrimp fried rice, chicken fried rice, even Thai basil fried rice, egg fried rice. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.